Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
कंटिन्यू करें बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
अब आप
करो
डेट
मैम।
लिखिए, राइट डाउन द डेट। Now what happens? Ranga, he notices the narrator and he comes to the narrator and did a namaskar respectfully by saying that mute the speaker, Ritik, by saying that he is all right and with his blessings he is fine. Now I must draw your attention to this aspect of Ranga's character. He knew when it would be to his advantage to talk to someone and rightly assess people's worth. As for his namaskar to me, he did not do it like any present day boy with his head up towards the sun, standing stiff like a pole without joints, jerking his body as if it was either a wand or a walking stick. Nor did he merely fold his hands, he bent low to touch my feet. May you get married soon, I said, blessing him. After exchanging a few pleasantries, I left. Now, see, Ranga was very well behaved, okay, and well aware as to who could benefit him, right? Now, see, Ranga was very well behaved, okay, and he was one of those persons who could analyze someone's words rightfully. ठीक है, वो ऐसा था जो लोगों की वर्ड्स, लोगों की काबिलियत को पहचानता था. Now he greeted the narrator person. He was the person, beta, who really recognized the capabilities of a person. अब नरेटर कहता है कि नाउ ही ग्रीटेड मी इन अ वेरी वेरी रिस्पेक्टफुल मैनर, जैसे आजकल के बच्चे करते हैं. दे स्टैंड लाइक अ रॉड, यू नो, बिल्कुल स्टिफ वॉन्ड की तरह खड़े रहते हैं. एंड व्हेन दे टच समबडीज फीट, यू नो, दे जस्ट bend a little, as you people do, you know. Instead of touching the feet, what do? You just touch the stomach or the knees और द थाइज, बस, पूरा बैंड नहीं होते हो. लेकिन रंगा ने ऐसा कुछ नहीं करा. बहुत रिस्पेक्टफुली he bent down, he touched the narrator's feet and was blessed by the narrator. Narrator ने उसको blessings दी. May you get married soon, okay, और उसको अच्छी सी blessings दी कि may he be married soon. और उसके बाद few pleasantries exchange करी उन्होंने, हालचाल वगैरह पूछा, and then Shyama, he returned. Shyama is the name of the narrator, okay. He returned to his home. That afternoon, when I was resting, Ranga came to my house with a couple of oranges in his hand. A generous, considerate fellow. Now that afternoon, the narrator says, when I was taking rest at my home at my house, Ranga, he came to meet me and he brought some oranges. And the narrator says, very generous, really, he was a very generous and a considerate fellow. It would be a fine thing to have him marry, settle down and be of service to society, I thought. अब श्यामा जो नरेटर था उसको लगा कि रंगा इज अ वेरी गुड बॉय, ओके, तो बहुत अच्छा होगा दैट दिस बॉय, ओके, he should be married so that he may settle down, okay, he should have a very settled life and be a service to the society, okay, then he may serve the society or so on. I thought for a while, okay, for a while we talked about this and that. अब narrator श्यामा ने तो सोच लिया था कि चलो भाई इसकी शादी करा देंगे, he is a good boy और settle हो जाएगा and then he can serve the society as well. Now for a while when Ranga came, they talked about this and that, idhar udhar ki baatein they did. Then I came to the point. Now then Shyama, he comes to the point. What did he say to Ranga? Listen, Rangappa, when do you plan to get married? Now he asked Rangappa, Ranga ko puछता है, Ranga, what are your plans of getting married? When are you going to get married? I'm not going to get married now, he said. Bluntly, he refused. Okay, I'm not going to get married now. Why not? I need to find the right girl. Okay, why not? क्यों नहीं? तो कहता है I need to find the right girl. Okay, और फिर वो आगे रंगा क्या कहता है? I know an officer who got married only 6 months ago. He is about 30 and his wife is about 25 years, I am told. Okay. And then Rangappa says, I know an officer who recently got married and he's 30 years old and his wife is 25. Beta, at that time, this age was considered as if a person has grown too old to get married. Okay. Many years back, there were child marriages, or even if a girl or a boy used to be of 13 or 14 or 15 years old, he or she used to be considered as quite grown up, है ना? And soon he was married or she was married. यही माना जाता था ना many years back कि 13, 14, 15 साल के जो बच्चे होते थे उनको काफी बड़ा माना जाता था और उनकी शादी कर दी जाती, राइट। तो रंगप्पा कहता है कि मेरा तो कोई प्लान नहीं है, ये उस समय की बात है जब बहुत जल्दी बच्चों की शादी कर दी जाती थी। एंड ही सेज कि मैं एक ऑफिसर को जानता हूँ हु इज 30 इयर्स ओल्ड और उसकी वाइफ 25 इयर्स की है। They will be able to talk lovingly to each other. Why did he give the example of this officer? कि they have been married at a matured age. Okay, mature age पर उनकी शादी हो गई है, राइट। तो इतने
आवाज नहीं आ रही।
आवाज तो वो तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम होगी, देखो तुम। तो इतने अंडरस्टैंडिंग है कि नाउ at this age they got married. Now they will be able to talk lovingly to each other. They are going to have a good understanding between them. Okay, let us say I married a very young girl, और फिर रंगप्पा कहता है suppose I get married to a young girl, to a small girl. She may take my words spoken in love as words spoken in anger. A little child hardly understands the meaning of love, the meaning of understanding between husband and wife. So वो कहता है, suppose I marry a girl, okay? I marry a small girl. And if I'll speak to him, okay, in a loving manner, हो सकता है she may not understand, और वो छोटी बच्ची क्या समझेगी, and she might think that I'm speaking to him in anger. Recently a troop in Bangalore. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody okay?
Yes,
See
ma'am.
now, beta, Ranga's
Yes,
marriage
ma'am.
about,
Yes, ma'am.
see, Ranga's views about marriage, it was different.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. He wanted to marry a girl who was quite matured and who could have a proper understanding. Okay. Who could understand the relation of husband and wife, who could have proper understanding and love. Got it? छोटे बच्चों की जब शादी हो जाती है, they hardly know the meaning of marriage. They hardly know the relation of husband and wife. Right? तो अक्सर क्या होता है कि यदि कुछ बोला भी जाता है आपस में तो उसको अदरवाइज लिया जाता है। इसीलिए रंगा he gives the example of that officer कि they got married, okay, when they became matured, quite understanding they had been. 30 and 25 years के बच्चे, they understand the meaning of marriage very well. तो इसका मतलब उनकी बॉन्डिंग बहुत अच्छी है। तो रंगा भी चाहता है कि he didn't want to marry at that time. Why? Because he wanted to marry a mature girl who can understanding the bonding that exists between husband and wife. Ab he gives the example. What examples he give? See, recently a troupe in Bangalore staged the play Shakuntala. Do you know the story of Shakuntala?
No, ma'am.
Shakuntala and Dushyant, you do not know the
No,
story of Shakuntala and Dushyant. Okay. See now, Dushyant was a
Ma'am.
king and
No,
he married Shakuntala, and she was a daughter of a saint. Okay. Dushyant, he goes out for hunting and there he meets Shakuntala. He falls in love with Shakuntala and marries him. And later on, it so happens कि when he returns back to his kingdom, he forgets Shakuntala and all. और उसके बाद जो story होती है, you can read it. Okay, अभी कोई इसका relation ज़्यादा नहीं है. So now, जो रंगा है वो example देता है कि recently a troupe in Bangalore staged the play Shakuntala. There is no question of Dushyant falling in love with Shakuntala if she were young. Why he had given this example? Ki if Shakuntala had been a very small child, okay, there wasn't any question of Dushyant, okay, that he would have loved Shakuntala. Shakuntala was quite a grown-up girl, a mature girl, and that was the reason Dushyant he fell in love with Shakuntala. Like the present day bride, if she were young, जैसे यदि वो यंग होती, बहुत छोटी होती, जैसे आजकल की ब्राइड्स होती हैं, छोटी छोटी लड़कियों की शादी हो जाती, तो श्योर ये प्ले क्रिएट ही नहीं होता, ये कहानी बनती नहीं. लेकिन दुष्यंत ने शकुंतला को क्यों प्यार करा? क्योंकि शकुंतला शी वॉज अ ग्रोन अप मैच्योर गर्ल. What would have happened to Kalidas's play? तो कालिदास प्ले कैसे लिखते हैं? उन्होंने प्ले क्यों लिखा? बिकॉज शकुंतला बड़ी गर्ल थी. ओके, बड़ी मतलब शी वॉज मैच्योर्ड गर्ल. ओके, she was quite big to understand the meaning of love and marriage and all. If one gets married, देखो आगे उनके क्या views थे. Okay, if one gets married, it should be to a girl who is mature. Otherwise, one should remain a bachelor, and that is why I'm not married. Okay, or finally, Ranga he declares if a person wants to get married, he should marry a girl who is quite mature. Okay, otherwise a person or a man should remain a bachelor. He should remain unmarried. और कहता है that is the reason अभी I'm not thinking of getting married. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Is there
ma'am.
any other reason a man should marry a girl he admires? What we have now are arranged marriages. Okay. अब जो नरेटर थे उन्होंने पूछा इज देयर एनी अदर रीजन बिसाइड दिस, कोई और अदर रीजन है? तो रंगा ने जवाब दिया अ मैन शुड मैरी अ गर्ल ही एडमायर्स. ओके, द गर्ल whom he admires he should marry him. What we have now are arranged marriages. Okay, how can one admire a girl with milk stains on one side of her face and wetness on the other, or so young that she doesn't even know how to bite her fingers? Now, what does Ranga say? A man should marry a girl he admires, and then he says what we have now are arranged marriages. और उस समय तो arranged marriages ज्यादा होती थी बेटा, तो वो रंगा कहता है कि हमारी क्या होती है, arranged marriages होती हैं. किसी भी गर्ल को कोई भी मैन कैसे एडमायर कर सकता है विद मिल्क स्टेन्स ऑन वन साइड ऑफ अ फेस, मतलब who remains dirty and so okay does not have any good appearance or do not remains neat and tidy, अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं हो. ठीक है, तो मिल्क स्टेन्स एक तरफ हो और वेटनेस ऑन दी अदर दूसरी साइड हो, या वो गर्ल इतनी यंग हो कि शी डज नॉट इवन नो हाउ टू बाइट हर फिंगर्स, शी डजंट नो एनीथिंग, शी डजंट understand the meaning of anything. Okay, what is marriage, what is understanding, what is love, the bonding, the strong bonding between husband and wife, उसको नहीं समझ हो तो how can a man marry such a young girl? Who says? Ranga says. One a neem fruit, the other a bitter gourd. Exactly, Ranga said, laughing. Okay. और फिर रंगा कहता है हाँ, फिर ऐसी गर्ल्स क्या होती हैं, तो नीम फ्रूट की तरह होती हैं, कड़वा होती हैं, बिटर गार्ड करेले की तरह होती हैं. दैट गिव्स ओनली बिटरनेस इन लाइफ, ही वांट्स टू से. The Ranga, he says, of course, exactly when narrator says, I was distressed that the boy whom I thought would make a good husband had decided to remain a bachelor. Now, when Shyama, the narrator, when he came to know the views of this Ranga, he got somewhat distressed, he थोड़ा सा डिसअपॉइंट हो गया, डिस्ट्रेस हो गया, उदास हो गया. क्यों? उसने तो सोचा था कि द बॉय है ना, whom he thought would make a good husband, would prove a good husband, that boy had decided not to get married. उसने तो डिसाइड कर लिया कि मुझे शादी नहीं करनी. After chatting for a little longer, Ranga left. Okay. Now he says कि थोड़ी बहुत बातचीत करने के बाद, Ranga he left Shyama's house, the narrator's house. But I made up my mind right then that I would get him married. But Shyama, then and there only he decided that anyhow he is going to get this Ranga married anyhow. कुछ भी हो, इसकी मैं शादी करवा कर रहूंगा. Who decides? The narrator. Understood, beta?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now Ramarao's niece, a pretty girl of 11, had come to stay with him. Now Ramarao's niece, who was a beautiful girl, a pretty girl of 11 years old, she had come to stay with her uncle. She was from a big town, so she knew how to play the veena and the harmonium, musical instrument. और साउथ में तो वैसे भी the females and all, you know, उनके कल्चर में होता है कि it's really a necessity for a girl to learn all these musical instrument, music, dances and all. So ये भी बहुत बड़े शहर से थी, तो she knew very well how to play veena and harmonium. She also had a sweet voice, आवाज भी बहुत sweet थी. Both her parents had died. Now see, this girl's parents, they had died. She was an orphan, and her uncle had brought her home. और अंकल जो थे उसको घर पर लाए थे. Ranga was just the boy for her and she the most suitable bride for him. Okay, रंगा जो थी, रंगा जो था, श्यामा को लगा बिल्कुल suitable boy है उसके लिए, और उसके लिए लगा कि वो suitable girl है. ओके, एक दूसरे के लिए ये लगा श्यामा को कि उस गर्ल के लिए रंगा is the suitable boy और रंगा के लिए she is the suitable girl. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Since I was a
Yes, ma'am.
frequent visitor to Ramarao's place, the girl was quite free with me. Now the narrator says कि frequently every now and then I used to visit Ramarao's house. तो girl जो है ना वो काफी free हो गई थी narrator से, है ना, कोई shy feel नहीं करती थी बातचीत करने में. I completely forgot to mention her name. Now narrator says, I just forgot to mention her name. Her name is Ratna. Okay. The very next morning, I went to the house and told Ramarao's wife. कहते very next morning, I went to the house. Ramarao के घर पर मैं गया और मैंने रामाराव की wife को बोला. What did the narrator say? I'll send some buttermilk for you. Ask Ratna to fetch it. Okay. बोला कि I'm going to send some buttermilk. कोई छाछ वगैरह मैं भेज दूंगा और you just ask Ratna to bring it. Okay, now this was the plan that was made by the narrator. Okay, Ratna came. It was a Friday, so she was wearing a grand sari. Okay, Ratna, she came to the narrator's house to bring buttermilk. Okay, बहुत अच्छी लग रही थी. नरेटर कहते हैं एक बहुत सुंदर सी ग्रैंड साड़ी उसने पहन रखी थी. I told her to sit in my room and requested her to sing a song. कहते हैं when Ratna she came, I just asked her to sit in my room and I requested her to sing a song. अब क्या था, पूरी प्लानिंग थी. उधर तो उसको बटर मिल के बहाने the narrator calls her to his house और फिर दूसरी तरफ he called for Ranga also. Okay, I told her to sit in my room and requested her to sing a song. I sent for Ranga while she was singing the song Krishnamurti. In front of my eyes, Ranga reached the door. So narrator ने उसको बोला कि just sing a song. Okay, चलो एक गाना सुना दो. She started singing the song of Krishnamurti. Okay, तो कहते when I was listening to the song, she had started the song. Ranga, as he was called according to the plan by the narrator. Okay, he reaches the door. वो भी पहुंच गया narrator के घर पर. He stopped at the threshold. Okay, threshold समझते ना, doorway जो strip होती है, चौखट होती है वहां पर. He just stopped there. He did not want the singing to stop but was curious to see the singer. अब this boy, you know, he did not enter. Why? Because he did not want to interrupt the singer. Okay, he just wanted to listen to the singing and he was just curious, eager to see the singer. Carefully he peeped inside, or bade dhyan se he just peeped inside. The light coming into the room was blocked. So what happens, beta, if somebody comes and stands on the doorway, what happens? Though we are not looking at the doorway, but the light that is entering the room, it is blocked, है ना, रोशनी block हो जाती है और हमें समझ में आ जाता है कि somebody is at the doorway. Ratna looked up. Ratna समझ गई and seeing a stranger there abruptly stopped. ओके और सडनली वो स्टॉप हो जाती है, उसने देखा कि somebody was there, a stranger was there, so she stopped singing. Followed?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
beta. Bye then. God bless you. Have the revision.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.